Today I am making a pumpkin pie spice fudge. Now I haven't made this one yet and I'm excited to see if it turns out. Normally when I make fudge it's just a simple recipe of chocolate chips and sweetened condensed milk. So I haven't made one with the pumpkin puree and the spices, so we're going to see how it works out and you're coming along with me. So I'm going to take all of this to the stove and we're going to see if it works. So here I have the sweetened condensed milk and I've been letting it sit over medium heat to thin out a little bit. And now I'm going to add, it says a tablespoon of the pumpkin pie spice and then a 1/4 cup of the pumpkin puree. So I'm just going to stir those together a little bit. And then the 2 bags of the white chocolate chips. Right, and then I'm going to stir this all together and show you what it looks like. Okay, so our mixture is ready, and I just put a little bit of parchment paper into the pan, and I learned a little trick that I want to share with you. Underneath the parchment paper, I just put a little bit of oil, and it helps parchment paper stick much easier. So I'm just going to pour the mixture into the pan. See, it looks really good. Oh, and it smells so good. All right. And then this will go in the fridge to set. Well, it is a new day and a new shirt. By the way, if you like any of my designs, check the description box below because I have an Etsy shop where I have many more designs. But it's been 2 days and the fudge has been in the freezer. And so far, it's not set. So it's kind of hard to put it into little squares. So my friend Christy said, why don't you try to use it as a dip? So what I've done is I got little pretzels, and all I did was I put a little bit of the fudge on top of each one, and she said I could use like ginger snaps or vanilla wafers, so let me know in the comments what you would choose. I went with pretzels. So I'll show you that all I did is try to scoop out some of the fudge. See, it's hard to cut, so put it on a pretzel and do like the salty sweet, which I love, so I chose pretzels. All right. Yep. I don't care if it's in squares, that's good. I just thought of something else that I can use to eat the fudge. A spoon. That is so good.